Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download a video in Vizard AI without the watermark. In order to do so, here we are at Vizard.ai, and the first thing we're going to take a look at here is the pricing. So if you take a little closer look at the pricing, we're going to look at the monthly. Then you're going to see that in order to get a video without a watermark, you are going to need to pay for the subscription. So we have the creator at $29 a month. Then it goes up to the business. But if you're looking to download videos with Vizard, then you are going to need the subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.